Well, our shipment came in and we got stuff all over the place. We are restocking. Michelle's right in the thick of it. We've got some really good products now. Look at this stuff everywhere. Stuff under the chairs, on the chairs, on the counter. Stuff over here at the end caps. We're filling it. Well, we're reorganizing things based on, there's some new stuff that we have, new types of products. Look at this. This is all coffee and tea, right? And that's all seasonings and spices, all seasonings right there. That's all seasonings. Down here is all meat, different types of meat. And she's got, I don't know what she's got over there. I didn't get a chance. These rows are all going to be noodles. All noodles all the way across. And those are hot sellers. And then we have the noodles were here. We're going to have all snacks and sweet stuff. All these here. And then we got sauces down in the bottom two sections. And probably have 2 rows of drinks. So, pretty exciting. Now, I don't know how much I'll be recording because it's 2:30. We got to go have a lunch break. But we got a lot of stuff in here. That Michelle, I don't know what she's making weird noises. Anyway, I gotta get back to it. Exciting, fun day. Now, that's a store. Look at that. Wow. Now, we have enough shelves that we can really, you can see we double rowed on the noodles because they're big. We've got an entire row of, and we got stock, we can refill these, but we've got an entire row here of different instant noodle types. The ramen noodles are selling good. We're going to restock here in a minute. We just got the stuff up. Then we've got seasonings, a whole row of seasonings. Then we got something exciting to me. These are all-in-one coffee packs. Really amazing. There's a coffee mix with brown sugar, coffee, sugar, and creamer. Those are cool. They're little coffee sticks. I'll show you that one day on a video because I'm going to keep them on my survival pit on my tactical channel. We got moringa tea and we've got ginger tea. We've got miscellaneous things here, different all kinds of stuff. And I don't know what she's got here. Rice flour and what else she's got here? I don't, bibinka and puda. I don't know what that stuff is. Melanie, what are those?
This one?
Yeah.
It's like a...
Oh, that makes those... Oh, yeah, those are good. I've had them. Okay, so we've got different things here. And a whole mess of meats all along here. And we have a real grocery store now. And then the big noodles. 2 rows because we have space and they're big. Oops, I got to restock here. And there. And all kinds of good noodles. And in here we've rearranged. Now we have some sandwich spread. We've got some shampoo, some soap, some massaging oil. We've got different types of sauces now. More sauces. We've increased our snacks. We've got some more variety of snacks. And those are the ones we had before. We've got different, I'll get different kinds of crackers and biscuits. We've got cupcakes. We've got different type of crackers, buttercream crackers. Different types of sweet desserts and stuff. Banana chips, mango chips. Ubi is some kind of a yam potato thing. And we got a mess of drinks. Look at that. Apple green tea. I can't wait to try that out. We've got some nice products now. Looking good. Yeah, consignment shelf. It's beautiful here. I love it. I'm very happy. Very, very good. So, oh, look at that. I like it. I like the looks of it. Alright guys, pretty much I don't know if I'm going to do any more recording because we've got to put all this away. Most of this is empty boxes. We've got a little bit of extra stock. We've crammed most of the stuff on the shelves this time. All this empty boxes, all kinds of stuff. And then I've got to do all the pricing. So I've got to put all this in a computer and run it through a spreadsheet and price it all. So we got ourselves a store. Our signs came today. They stand out. That's going to be incredible. But I have to cut them. They're too big. I couldn't get I couldn't get anything under 2 foot by 8 foot, and I needed 18 inches by 8 foot. So I'm using a knife and a square, a level, and trimming it off using a piece of board underneath. And I'm going to get the signs out front. Well guys, I got the sign up. I don't know how well you can see it because of the sun, but it's crisp. It shows up. It's the most visible sign out here. So there's that, and it's the highest up. This is the top position. You can see that coming down the road real well. That stands out good. So there's that. I know the camera certainly cannot do it justice. And then over here, oops, I bounced a little bit. Got our new store, our new signs. That's the one from the other side. That definitely is visible. So we're looking good now. Very visible. Very, very visible. I like it. That's gonna bring some traffic in. And, oh, how you doing? In here, we're almost done. Oh, wow. So, we've got some non-grocery items, just a few. We've got some conditioner, some special soap, some massaging type oil. It's chamomile massage oil, really good stuff. We've got some sandwich spreads. We've got some more different seasonings. We've got a lot more drinks, and we've got all kinds of sweet snacks. Now we have a whole section dedicated to sweet snacks, these 3 rows, and then we've added to the different types of crackers. We've got different types of salty snacks. We've got 2 rows of salty snacks now up here. And then we've got 3 rows of noodles. Now those 2 is just because we didn't have enough product to fill the store entirely, so we doubled up on the noodles. That's the only thing on those 2 rows there. But on the ramen noodles and the instant noodles, pretty cool. All looking good. So we got all different kinds of ramen noodles. Really nice flavors. And we got some instant porridge, which is really looks good. Chocolate porridge. I want to try that. And then more instant soups. And we've got ginger tea, moringa tea, 2 types of coffees. I love it. We sat down and opened up a pack, and we had one of these. It reminded me of Manila. I love that stuff. So I'll show you that when we get on the other side. We've got some banana blossoms. We've got different types of meats now. We've got 2 types of sardines, 3 different kinds of tuna. We've got 2 different types of liver spread, 2 different types of corned beef, and Spam with tocino, which is some special Filipino flavor. And then we've got, I don't know what that is. Melanie's going to teach me what that is. A whole row of seasonings. So we're looking good. And then we got all this is new stuff. I don't even know what all that stuff is yet, but we got all kinds of new stuff. There's some purple yam jam. Now, how's that for a rhymey thing? Purple yam jam. Sweet purple yam spread. I guess that's real popular. So, there it is, guys. Now I gotta get some photos, and tomorrow I'll get all the products online. And just like in a normal grocery store, the surplus went up top. These are those little packs I'm talking about. That's the brown coffee. So it's a complete coffee with brown sugar and cream and everything. You just add hot water. These are really good. So we now return you to your regular programming. Off-grid homesteading, survival, electronics, and all that stuff. Talk to you later.